Hey everyone, welcome back to Rev Games Academy. In the last tutorial, we created an automatic door animation. In this second part, we'll build on that by animating a 3D object and creating a cool button hover effect for UI elements. Let's get started. Let's pick a good one to start with. Let's pick this one, because it'll look good like moving to the top of the wall. Okay, select the object in the hierarchy, open the animation window and click Create. Name the clip like Object Move and save it. Now, start keyframe recording and adjust the object's position. This automatically adds the position property. At frame 90, move the object to the top. To keep it there for a moment, copy and paste the position property at the same frame. Then move the object back to its initial position and hold it there as well by copying and pasting again. Play the preview to check if it looks good, make any adjustments if needed, and fine-tune for smooth movement. That's it. We've animated the object. Let's play the scene. Oh, hold on. This block is set to static, so it won't move its mesh. Let's quickly turn that off. Okay, now let's run the scene and check. And move our character to test it. Perfect. The movement looks great. And the door is working nicely too. That's it. We did it. All right, let's dive into creating a UI element animation. First, let's create a canvas, which is essential for managing UI elements. In the hierarchy, click the plus icon in the top left corner or right-click anywhere in the hierarchy, select UI, and then choose Canvas. Now, a canvas is created. Its render mode is set to screen space overlay by default, which is perfect. It ensures the UI sits on top of everything in the game. Next, let's add an image. Right-click the canvas, go to UI, and select Image. In the inspector, click the Rect Transform Components anchor square, and press Alt as you select the full stretch option in the bottom right corner. There you go. Now the image covers the whole screen. Let's turn it into a subtle background. Rename it to something like BG. Change its color to black, and reduce the alpha for a transparent effect. Looks good. Now, let's animate a button to make it more interactive, changing its color and size when clicked and reverting back on the next click. Under RBG, right-click, go to UI, and select Button Mesh Pro. Perfect. Let's set it up and make it pop with some cool animations. Let's jump into the coding phase and bring our button to life with some interactive animations. First, create a script for the button. In the inspector, select the button, click Add Component, and then click New Script. Name it something like Button Hover, and open it in your code editor. Now, let's write the code to handle the hover effects. Ready? Let's code. We're going to create a function to give the button a color and size effect on click, and then revert it back on the next click. First, remove the default functions from the script. Here's the code I've written. Straightforward. I've declared a public bool to track the first click. This ensures the animation runs on the first click and reverts on the second. In the function, the if condition scales the button to 1.2 and changes the color to cyan. In the else block, it scales the button back to 1 and resets the color to white. At the end, the bool is reversed, so the next click will toggle the effect. This simple code will do what we need. Now, save the script and head back to Unity. All right, now you can see the script attached to the button. Let's hook up the function. Click the plus icon under the button's on-click event, drag the button object with the script into the field, then select the function from the dropdown, our on-button effect function. That's it. Now hit play and test it out. Click the button, it changes to cyan and grows in size. Click it again, it reverts back. Perfect. It works like a charm. In the first part, we animated an automatic door using trigger detection. In this second part, we created a moving 3D object and a cool button animation, playing them with a simple script. Thanks for watching. Stay creative, happy animating, and see you next time for more exciting animations.